If a is equal to 4 minus 3 minus 2 2 and I is the unit matrix of order 2n, then here a square is equal to 4 options are there, 6a plus 2i first option, second option 6a minus 2i, third option a minus i, fourth option is a plus i. So there is one standard result here. Suppose A is a matrix of order 2n. Okay. Then a square minus a plus d means diagonal elements here. Okay. A plus d into a plus then ad minus bc here. First multiply diagonal elements ad minus net multiply non-diagonal elements b into c into identity matrix I is equal to null matrix here. It is a O. And if you want a determinant of a square minus a plus d into a, in that case take its a square here is equal to ad minus bc whole square. And if you want a square, in that case take these two terms right hand side here. So ad a plus d into a plus d into a, and take this one right hand side, plus becomes minus, and obviously this is a determinant of a. Determinant of a means ad minus bc. Okay, yes, this is a determinant of a. Determinant of a is ad minus bc into I. Okay, so therefore here we have to find a square. Use this result here. So a square is equal to a plus d means multiply diagonal elements here. So 4 plus 2 into a. Okay. Next minus is there, so write here minus into determinant of a means multiplying these two elements here. 4 into 2. Okay, 4 into 2 minus of minus 3 into minus 2 here. Minus 3 into minus 2 into identity matrix I here. Therefore this equal to 4 plus 2 becomes 6 here. 6a minus of here 4 2s are 8 here, and here minus into minus become plus 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 is a 2 here. 2 into I is a 2i here. Hence second option here, 6a minus 2i is the correct option here. If a is equal to 2 minus 3 2 minus 4, then determinant of a square plus 2a is equal to, first option is a minus 4, second option is a plus 4, third option is a 2, and a fourth option is a minus 2. Here you have to find this one here. Therefore use this formula. Determinant of a square minus a plus d into a is equal to this here. You just observe here, a plus d means sum of the diagonal elements here. Here 2 minus 4 is a minus 2 here. Okay, therefore minus and this minus becomes a plus here. Okay, so determinant of a square minus of sum of these two elements here. So 2 minus of 4 into a. Okay, I am writing this one. A plus d means 2 plus of minus 4 here, minus 2. 2 minus 4 here into a is equal to ad minus bc. Ad means the product of these two elements here. So 2 into minus 4 minus of minus 3 into 2 here. Minus 3 into 2, it's a square here. Okay, ad minus bc, it's a square. Yes sir, 2 minus 4 is a minus 2 here, minus minus plus here. So determinant of a square plus 2a is equal to 4 2s are 8 here, minus of 8, minus into minus plus here, 3 2s are 6 here, minus 4 plus 6 is a minus 2 here, minus 2 square, and minus 2 square is plus 4 here. Hence B is the answer here. 4 is the answer. If a is equal to 3 minus 2 1 2 and a square plus k into a plus 8i is equal to O, then k is equal to what here? First option is a 3, second option is a 12, third option is a 5, and the fourth option is a minus 5. Okay. Therefore, this result here, a square minus of a plus d into a plus ad minus of bc into I is equal to 0. Okay. Yes. So write here a square minus of sum of diagonal elements here 3 plus 2 into a plus then 3 into 2 here 3 into 2 minus of minus 2 into 1 minus 2 into 1 here. Okay, into identity matrix I is equal to null matrix O here. Hence here a square 3 plus 2 becomes a 5 here, so minus 5a, and 3 2s are 6 here, so 6 minus into minus becomes a plus 2 1s are 2 here. 6 plus 2 becomes 8, 8i here, 8i, this is equal to 0 here. Therefore comparing this with this equation here, so a square plus k into a plus 8i is equal to O here, not this here, it is I, identity matrix here. So therefore where k is equal to what here, just compare here, k value is minus 5. Okay, so obviously D is the answer here, k value is minus 5. If a is equal to 1 0 minus 1 7 and a square minus 8a plus ki is equal to null matrix O, then k is equal to what here? First option is a minus 7, second option 7, third option 8, and the fourth option is a 1 upon 7 here. Okay, therefore I use again this result here. So a square minus of sum of diagonal elements here 1 plus 7 into a here, then plus multiply for diagonal elements here 1 into 7 minus of net multiply non-diagonal elements here 0 into minus of 1 here, right in the bracket, into identity matrix is equal to null matrix O here. Hence a square 7 plus 1 becomes 8, 8 here, 7 ones are 7 and this becomes 0. So 7i plus 7i is equal to 0. So compare this with this here. Hence a square minus of 8a plus k into I is equal to 0, where k is equal to 7a. So B is the answer here. If a is equal to the matrix 1 minus 3 2 4 and a square minus 4a plus 10i is equal to matrix A, then k is equal to what here? First option is minus 4, second option is a 0, third option 1 or 4, fourth option 4 and not 1 here. Okay, therefore a square minus of sum of the diagonal elements here 1 plus 4, 1 plus k, 1 plus k into the matrix A, then the plus, then 1 into k here. Okay, 1 into k, then the minus of minus 3 into 2 here, minus of 3 into 2. Okay, write the terms in the bracket here, into I is equal to 0. Hence a square minus k plus 1 into a here, then the plus k into 1 becomes a k, minus into this minus becomes a plus here, 3 2s are 6 into I is equal to 0. But a given equation is a square. Take a left side here. Take this a left hand side minus a minus 4a becomes a minus 5 here. Then plus 10i plus 10 into I is equal to null matrix here. Okay, they are already given here. This is a given equation. Just take care here left side here. Minus 4a minus a becomes a minus 5a here. So compare it here. K plus 1 is equal to 5. Answer k plus 1 is equal to 5 and k plus 6 is equal to 10 here. K plus 6 is equal to 10. Hence k is equal to 5 minus 1 becomes 4 here. And here 10 minus 6 is a minus of 4 here. Okay. Therefore k value 4, k value minus 4. Obviously here k is a 4 and not 1 here. Fourth option is correct here. Okay. There is a 4 here but it is not 1 means minus 4 is there. Hence it is not 1. So fourth option is correct here. If A is equal to the matrix 2 minus 1 and 2 and I is a unit matrix of order 2, then A square is equal to first option 4A minus 3I, second option 3A minus 4I, third option A minus I, fourth option is A plus I. Okay, find here A square. So use this formula. So therefore A square is equal to sum of the diagonal elements here 2 plus 2 into the matrix A minus determinant of A means 2 2s of 4 here, 2 into 2 here, minus 1 into minus 1 here, and it's only it is about determinant of A, 2 into 2 here, minus of minus 1 into minus 1 into the matrix I here. Okay, determinant of A is the determinant of A means 2 2s of 4 minus 1 into minus 1 here, it is plus 1 here. Hence this is equal to 2 plus 2 becomes 4A, then the 2 2s of 4 here and the minus 1 into minus 1 is a plus 1 here. 4 minus 1 becomes 3, so it is a 3I here. So 4A minus 3I, first option. If A is equal to 1 3 2 1, then determinant of A square minus 2A is first option is 5, second option 25, third option is minus 5, fourth option is minus 25. Here find determinant of this here. So determinant of A square minus A plus D into A is equal to AD minus BC whole square is that. Hence determinant of A square minus of sum of these elements here 1 plus 1 into A, that is equal to here 1 into 1 minus of 3 into 2 here, 3 into 2 it's a square. Hence determinant of A square 1 plus 1 is 2 here, 2 into A, that is equal to 1 into 1 becomes 1 here, 3 2s are 6 here. So 1 minus 6 is a minus 5 whole square here. So minus 5 whole square is a plus 25 here. So second option is correct here, 25. If A is equal to the matrix 3 2 1 1, then A square plus x into A plus y into I is equal to null matrix O for x comma y. First option is 1 3, second option minus 4 minus 1, third option minus 1 comma 3 here, fourth option minus 4 comma 1. Okay. Here is this result here. A square minus of 3 plus 1 into A, then plus 3 into 1 here, minus 2 into 1, it's into I here, is equal to null matrix O. Therefore A square minus of 4A, and here 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2 here, 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 into I becomes I is equal to 0. Hence comparing this with A square plus x into A plus y into I is equal to 0 here. pair. X is equal to -4 here. X is equal to -4 and y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 here. So -4 power 1 here. So fourth option is correct here.